Okay, but let the market open for the day and then we'll place our order. The first tick on the index, almost 50 points in the green. So it looks like it's a good start. The Sensex up about 100 odd points. The Bank Nifty well in the green as well. And the mid-cap index is soaring. So not a bad opening at all. In fact, the advanced decline ratio also is well in the green. Almost 1,900 stocks on the advancing side. Now let's take it straight to the large caps. You have L&T, SBI, ITC, Bajaj Auto leading from the front. Adani Group stocks are looking good. That group, in any case, has been in the news. So Adani Enterprises up 3%, Adani Ports up 1.5%. Steel stocks are not doing too badly. Tata Steel, JSW Steel in the green right now. And you have a couple of more names, actually. Coal India, Tech Mahindra, Hindalco, ITC are trending in the green as we speak. On the downside, though, I was talking about how these, domestic economy-facing stocks are under a bit of pressure. Britannia, once again, is down about 0.3%. HUL is in the red as well. Nestle, Tata Consumer Products, Bajaj Finance, a couple of other names that are in the red as we speak. Titan as well, not doing that well this morning. But otherwise, it's a decent opening. No two ways about that. As we said, whenever the market gets to the lower end of the range, there's buying, and that's what's spiking today. The mid-cap end of trade, though, is doing much better.
Oh, yes, absolutely. It's a big move on mid-caps. I'll quickly start with the newsmakers. So since we were just talking about it, Zomato is, doing well, 3.5% up. Let's not forget Indostar. Indostar has sold off a large chunk of its loans to one of the ARCs. And obviously, they receive money for that. 5% up on that stock as well. Some of the Adani Group stocks are up and about. Remember, a lot of the Adani stocks are going to be in focus because the matter comes back up in the Supreme Court tomorrow. Some green on the stocks for now. Ambuja, Adani Total Gas, the bigger ones, Ports, Enterprises. Basically, there's some smatter of green on Adani. Linde, because of the big order coming in from SAIL India, 3% up. BHEL, BEL, a lot of these PSUs have announced order wins over the weekend, and most of them are holding up positive as well. So these are some of the key newsmakers. Now the rice guys, there's some additional red. So we need to see the exact flow through in terms of impact. If there is a ban on rice exports, basmati rice exports in excess of $1,200 per ton, KRBL LT Foods down about 2 to 3%. Those are some of the names on news. But even beyond news, there's a buzzing screen out there. Look at India Cements, look at Piramal Pharma, look at some of the other names like NMDC Steel, which have been active. So not bad. For the time being, Prashant, mid-caps outperforming the large caps.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. And it's a very vibrant screen. 5:1, by the way, almost in terms of advances to decline ratio. I think you guys mentioned Atul Auto. Atul Auto had a big week last one. So it was up 25% last week. And this morning it's up another 6%. So that's a very large mover with very large volumes as well coming through. There is Sirma, which is up 5%. Again, just highlighting things with the largest volume. Sirma is at about 564. You look at Adani Enterprises, I think we mentioned, that is, of course, up about 3% or so. GMDC has been a mover off and on, but this morning it starts about 2.5% higher. There is Gabriel India, which is up 5.5% on decent-sized volumes for this point in the day. And there is Bajaj Hindustan, India Cements, Jamna Auto, which are some of the other large movers. Skipper Limited is another one, which is up about 205 rupees. That is coming up with about a 6.5% pop right now. So, yeah, I mean, there is a lot happening. On the downside, I can't see anything large at all. I mean, KRBL with a 2.5% cut is perhaps the biggest volume-led loser. Otherwise, it's mild. Bajaj Finance, for example, it's down a little bit, 0.5%. Titagar is down 1%. HCL Tech, Parag Milk and Emphasis are some of the others, which are starting a little lower right now. APL Apollo is down 1.5%, so keep an eye out on that. And as I said, I mean, overwhelmingly positive, at least in the broader market, mid-cap side with 5:1, a kind of advances to decline ratio.